Hello, Gary Parker here. I am going to go over how to play with zip files in WordPress. So check it out. So I'm going to start with a file I have stored in my WordPress.com account. Sorry, my WordPress at BMCC account. Logging in with Google like you all do. WordPress File Manager. So the other day in class, we uploaded a web tutorial folder. And inside of it are some files that we worked with. Now I need to work on these files some more. It's not very convenient to do so here. So from my main directory, if I right-click on the folder I'm interested in, I can download it. So if I choose download, what the computer does is wraps up all the files in that folder, including the folder, into a single file called a zip archive. That zip archive just ended up down on my computer here. What I want to do next is not open it directly, but I want to show it in the folder. And so up pops my folder, and in there I have my my web tutorial zip folder. Now, if I double click on it, it looks like I can get to the folder in those files, but I really can't. It's still a zipped up file, and that's a problem. So what the proper way to do it is download the archived folder. It's a zip file. Right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All. Then it's going to say, where do you want to put it? Navigate to wherever you want to put it. Now, it wants to add the name of the folder to where I want to put it. In this case, that's not necessary. So if I just say put it in my Downloads folder, it will extract a folder called web-tutorial. Otherwise, you can browse to where you want to put it somewhere else. I'm going to choose to put it here. So I choose Extract. And then what it's going to do is it's going to open up the Downloads folder where I put it, and it's going to show me it just gave me a folder called Web Tutorial. And now I can open one of these files, say in Notepad++, and I can work with it. So this is super important skill to know. If you ever download a folder from Google, if you download a folder from the WordPress file managers, and other places where you download a bulk of files in one shot, you're going to get it as a zip archive. That zip archive has to be extracted before you try to work with it. It's deceiving in that it looks like you can double-click the zip file and see inside of it. And you can see inside of it, but you can't manipulate folders and files like you would normally. It looks like it's working, but it's really not going to. So for example, if I try to display my image, my index right now, the image is broken because I am working with a zip archive preview, not a regular file preview. It's a weird thing, but you got to pay attention to it. So this will help you when you're uploading stuff and then you need to download it to work with it again. Once I edit stuff and I'm ready to put it back in, all I have to do is go to the folder where that stuff lives. And after I've edited the file, I can just drag whatever files I've changed and put them back into the appropriate folder. Usually when you do that, it'll ask you if you want to overwrite it or not. It's strange that it didn't do that here. Let's try that again. Drop it in here. Well, figures things don't work the way I want them to when I need them to. I'll give you one more try to yell at me. Oh, it's probably because I haven't changed it. All right, let's change the file first. Wrong place. One more time. There it is. All right, so maybe I'm going to change the background from lime green to orange. Orange. And I'm going to save it. Now the file is edited. So if I try and upload it, it should say, the upload's not working. Very strange. Well, I hope it works for you. That's it for now. Bye-bye.